Hi and welcome to another episode of Indulge Vlogs. Today I am standing at an extremely special and very beautiful art exhibition. And this exhibition is very different from all the regular art exhibitions that we have usually seen. What usually happens in an art exhibition is we display artists. Outsider art at SEMA displays anyone who has an artistic fabric in their minds, in their consciousness. All the artists who are displayed today are not artists by profession, but they are artists by passion. You must have heard about them, and rightly so, seen them on silver screens. You must have read their books, seen their illustrations. You have seen them on television. You have seen them on panel discussions, or maybe you have also seen them in clinics and chambers. But beyond their actual profession, which varies from politics to fashion designing to acting to illustration to in the field of medicine, today they are here all together displaying their art. Come, let's see what the outsider art really means. And are these artists really outsider in the field of art?
This year we felt that it's high time that we really delve into this area because it's so fascinating, and this is an area that would interest and a lot of people, because a lot of them that are featured here, they are very famous people in their own rights, as directors, actors, authors. We also have Upendra Kishore Rai Chaudhary, who belonged to the 19th century. Now, Upendra Kishore, of course, has been a famous person. His books have been published and he has illustrated in his books. So that was known. We, of course, knew much later that Soumitra Chatterjee also paints and draws. And so we immediately, approached his estate, his daughter, who's now in charge. She's no more, neither is his wife. So we approached the estate for that. And a lot of people we knew were doing things, but they were not. They never thought in terms of exhibiting. So we offered them a chance, like Aparna Sen. She's been photographing while being a director. So photography came very naturally to her, and we knew that she's been doing that. So when we went through her photographs, they were really outstanding, and we chose her because of that.
This beautiful painting comes from the private collection of Mr. Sarkar and has been drawn by none other than the Honorable Chief Minister of West Bengal, Ms. Mamata Banerjee.
এটা আমার মেয়েকে মা পেইন্টিংটা দিয়েছিলেন for one of her birthdays, and I think it's a beautiful, it was more like an enlightenment of you to see the light coming in. And ma eglo, she used to just imagine, and it was very, she always had this feeling of oneness, whether it was religion or shopkichu. So you'll see সব রকমের symbol আছে of religion, and it is always about everybody coming together. আর এইটা was given to Anando, এখানে লেখা আছে, in 1992 when he was 50 years old. So সেখানে she gave this beautiful thing, and it's a little, he was very precious to her. So that was the painting that came to her for that particular occasion. So a painting was her gift to him on that birthday.
It's such a delight for me personally to discover painting, sculpture that I had not seen before. I mean, I'd seen Soumitra's work, some of it, and I saw Ruchira's work, but most of the others are a revelation.
It's amazing to be here because everybody knows my father just as an actor or a theatre director or a theatre actor. Well, he's a published poet also, and but not many people know that he was also a painter. In fact, his paintings were discovered, so as to say, by Jogen Chaudhuri. And Jogen Chaudhuri is the one who asked him to exhibit his paintings. But Bapi was very shy about exhibiting his work and all, and he said, I'm not good enough. But I'm very glad, but we did a couple of exhibitions before. I'm very glad Seema took the opportunity, took some of his paintings and displayed them here.
I was very scared of color, you know. I was only, like, even now, I do black and white lines mostly. But then there was one day, then my heart was broken, then I splashed color so hard. And I was like, wow, I like color. And never stopped. So the idea of being this person is an emotional relationship with my love life. Every story is a heartbreak or a new bloom of love. So I think my art directly connects with the idea of being together in any manner possible, to love, I guess.
Oh, basically, I am painting from my childhood, but the real passion is coming after 20 years of my profession as marine engineer. Now I am depicting all those whatever I have seen at sea. I am depicting those sceneries or those processes of whatever the mechanical processes. I am just transferring into canvas, and this is the basically a internal combustion engine when it is cold. But you won't find any kind of art in that engine because that will be a little boring, or you just see a mechanical structure. But I have abstract something from that engine into colorful image, so that you will find some kind of art inside this.
Graphic prints, actually these are digital art nowadays called. So I did in my computer with pen and by finger. So this is a near last about 10-15 years I'm also doing other works like other normal painting like watercolor, mixed media, etc. But this is a little innovative nowadays. With that we can do lot of newer things what previous normal painting can't do.
The stories are life from the viewpoint of a child, but they're not stories for children. They're stories for everyone. Therefore, the colors a child visualizes are always brighter than reality. So it's part reality, part imagination.
You know, Seema always gives you something which is quirky and something to chew upon, think upon. And this is one exhibition where there are so many artists who not really, probably don't regularly photograph or paint, but their work coming together is a slice of life that Seema brought through to these outsiders.
I'm just seeing the exhibition and it's really mesmerizing.
I'm standing in front of photographs of Aparna Sen, beautiful photographs which I especially like, working with black and white photography, very special perspectives she takes. But this is one perspective or one body of works in a huge exhibition which is worthwhile coming, discovering what people who in her work life do other things mainly, hidden treasures basically, to understand that they are creating art.
আমি সবসময় আশা করি এবং আমি জানি যে সীমা গ্যালারি যখন কোনো কিছু হোস্ট করে, কোনো কিছু নিয়ে আসে, সব সময় ওটা আলাদা হয়। ইটস সো ডিফারেন্ট। সো আই এম আ রেগুলার ভিজিটর অফ সীমা আর্ট গ্যালারি। তো এই গ্যালারিতে এসে আজকে অবশ্য আমার আরেকটা পার্সোনাল কানেক্টও আছে। এখানে যতগুলো সেরামিকের কাজ দেখা যাচ্ছে সবকটাই ডিরেক্টর রণজিৎ রায়ের করা। So very beautiful work. I have gone all around to see the kind of art and the kind of feelings which is imbibed in all the creations, and plus jara outsider jara এটা প্র্যাকটিস করেনি কিন্তু এত সুন্দর কাজ করেছে, তো আমি আমার ভীষণ ভালো লেগেছে, খুবই ভালো লাগছে আমার। আর রণজিৎ happens to be my husband, so ডাবল বোনান্সা। খুবই ভালো লাগছে, অমর্ত্যকে নিয়েও এসেছি।
So have these artworks by these 21 artists really impressed you? Because they definitely have impressed us. And this exhibition is a testament to the fact that creativity exists in every individual. They do not need to have a formal training to become an artist or to go into a one particular profession, especially if the profession deals with creativity. Outsider art is on display. Today you have seen its inauguration, and you will be able to come here till the May 2nd to see it in person. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to Indulge YouTube, and we will be bringing you more such videos.